Palakpak. Kaya punta din.
Syagit, pagani.
Balaan na laman ta. Pagulara dong. Kusog depensa. Dapat na dito, na dito. Uy, kumpiyansa. Abi niya mo gawas.
Nice.
Push! Ayaw pabutas yan!
Oh.
Goal! Okay!
Also would like to recognize the presence
Ayaw mo
of
tapok! Push, pin!
the former ex-FIFA referee
Ayaw pabuta!
of
Tanawa!
Santa Barbara,
Uy, 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 uy.
Cloud
Nice
Blue,
one, nice one.
Mr. Ken Gubuyan. Thank you, Ken, for bringing your team here
Nakaabot ko
at the
galing,
6-100
Ali diri!
for Football Festival.
Wala sala! Wala sala! Abi niya mo gawas. Gawas sa bola? Oo.
Next game in Field 1,
Inbounds.
Amis Angels
Si Brent, Brent to sa
versus
Brent.
Bago City.
Si Brent.
In field number 2, it would be Strolls versus STI West Negros. Strolls versus STI West Negros.
Ayaw
Field
tapok,
3,
ayaw tapok.
Clasico de San Carlos versus BUFC
Tournament na
BFC
way gol pasa-pasa ra.
B. Pasensya kay Napanas.
Sige, pare, gamay ni mo lang pinsa nimo.
And in field number 4, born 2013, let's game Jesus Akins
Palos.
Pasa!
versus Sumao
Pasa!
Griffins. Ginayo namon ang mga teams
Okay, pass.
to stay. Where is the location
Ay,
of your
sige, sige.
pitch?
Nice.
Diya ka mo palapit kay may mga punong
Oh, words.
No? Just be careful lang sa mga kasya kay Damo da Iras. No? Good to note, Damo, man sa tutupi, subong nagalupad. Amo nang kakaon sa ila. But just be careful underneath the akasya kay Damo Iras dila. No?
Stop! Pasa! Pass! Dalagan, PJ! Was yan! Nice! Toy! Okay! Kuha na! Nice!
Nag-remind man kami sa aton nga mga participating teams, players, parents, please bantayin ang inyong personal belongings. Kamo bantay, hindi pag-isalig-salig. Kay the organizer don't have the capacity to watch all of you, no? So, palihog bantay sa inyong gamit. Inyong gamit, inyong bantay. No? And second, clean as you go. Pag-uwi ng libo, coordinator sa MAPI, si Ma'am Jelly. And she is requesting clean as you go. No? Clean as you go as we join this activity, tumpok ka lang dira ng inyong sagbot, hindi pagkaptahan, may pamutang sila ng plastic.
Dula! Kepet, sige! Move! Siyan! Siyan! Likod, Mijay!
Watoy! Watoy! Siyan! Pa!
Sa liwa, kinapabalo namon nga magasugod ang hampang dungan at mag-end dungan. Only injury to the goalkeeper that we can extend the match. No? Please take note of this. And the purpose is that ma-maximize naton ang availability of time. No? Because we believe that
Tanaw! Pa! Bula!
the most important is the playing time. Big injury. Joel. Field number 3. Anak na siya, nagdadalagan.